Hello crafters, today we're going to get busy doing some leaf rubbing. Now I've gathered a selection of leaves, I don't know if you can see there, so lots of different leaves. Okay, and I've got some blank paper and a selection of different coloured crayons. Okay, so let's get started. So just going to take our leaf like this and place it under the piece of paper like that. And we're going to get our crayon and we're just going to rub gently across the surface like this to reveal the pattern. Oh, look at that, that pattern's coming nicely. And there's our leaf, that's the first. I'm going to get another one and get that one, slightly larger leaf, and I'm going to place that underneath the piece of paper. I'm going to get another colour. I think I'll use a pink and gently rub across the surface just like this. Ooh, look at that pattern that's coming. Oh, that's wonderful. And I'm going to take another one, slightly larger. Take that one out. And let's place that there. What do you think? Shall we use an orange? Let's use an orange. You just need to keep rubbing across the surface like this, across your paper, and you'll start to see the image of the leaf appear. Not sure if you can see, but you can get different leaves, different shapes and different sizes. Here's another one that I did earlier today. So just experiment and have fun while you do. What I'm going to do is I think I'm going to get a magnet and I'm going to put that on my fridge. But if you want to, you can share your pictures and your leaf rubbings with me, so you can just upload them to my Facebook page, which is ANanWhoCaN. Thanks for joining me. See you again soon.